Buddha bless this beat.
That's a fool now. That's a fool now.
Yo.
I don't like that. I feel so professional. Like, I've never opened a video before in my living room. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys 9 Snapchat life hacks. If you guys didn't know, I love making life hack videos and slime videos and DIY videos, and recently I have done kind of like vlog videos like occasionally, because why not do that? If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below and get this video to 5,000 thumbs up for more life hack videos. If I should do like an Instagram life hack video, comment down below. I love Instagram. Like, go follow me on Instagram. It's at nicholejacklyne, and I will also have my Snapchat code on the screen right here. Go add me on Snapchat, because this video is about Snapchat, so let's just add me on Snapchat, okay? They go hand in hand. I want you guys to comment down below your favorite Snapchat life hack from this video, because I want to find out what you guys love on Snapchat. And also, comment down below your Snapchat username, because I want to be surprised. I want to surprise add some of you guys on Snapchat. So right now, go add me on Snapchat and then comment down below your username, and I would love to like surprise add you guys. So if you want that to happen, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, okay? And give it a thumbs up. Just do all the things. Support a girl, okay? Let's hop right into this Snapchat life hack video. Took some time the other day to collect some new Snapchat life hacks. Actually, on Snapchat, they have this new thing called custom stories, and this is so cool, and honestly, I think it's a great thing to do, especially for me as a YouTuber and also a college student. If I want to share a story with like just my college friends, I can just make this story customized to where only my friends from school can see it, or only one person can see it. But I saw this thing on Twitter that was like, your man crush Monday posted that you were his woman crush Wednesday on his custom Snapchat story, and you were the only viewer. You were the only one that saw it, but you thought that it was his story. Wow, that's like games, man. I don't play games. So until recently, the only way to get your own geo filter was to go onto Snapchat, like on the website, and demand your own geo filter and make your own one and purchase it and do that whole process. Until recently, Snapchat has a thing that you can do called on-demand geo filters. You want to go to the drop-down menu with your little code and press the little toolbar in the top corner. It says on-demand geo filters. Purchase your own geo filter for a birthday, wedding, or any celebration. This is honestly so smart, because to do this in the past, you'd have to go to the website, and it's like, I feel like I would never do that because it's not in the app, and we are so like adapted to having things like right now on demand, literally on demand. And if we have to go out of our way to like a website or like, you know, a browser to like do this, I wouldn't do it, which is honestly why I never have, I don't think. But now, this is all in the app, which is so smart. Jokester decided to make it say, happy birthday, Nichole. You just go and buy it, and it only takes like 2 hours to get reviewed, which is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, so as you guys know, when Snapchat first came out, or like in the recent years, they've only had an option, like the only way you can make your voice sound different is by having the filter on, which has like the high-pitched voice or like the deranged kind of like wavy voice. But now they have a way where you can, in the Snapchat app, you can open your Snapchat app and you can go to and be like, hi guys, this is my video for the testing. What? Okay, so I have this, and I can go to the lower left corner, and a lot of you guys don't know this, so I'm gonna let you guys know, because I didn't know this, and my mom didn't know this, and a lot of my friends didn't know this. That's the little speaker in the corner, and you can change it to no audio, a robot. What is So you have Alvin the Chipmunks.
Testing. What? Hi guys, this is my video for the testing. What?
Hi guys, this is my video for the testing. So creepy. Hi guys, this is my video for the testing. I don't like that. Hi guys, this is... So yeah, if you want to change your voice in Snapchat, that's how you do it. It's kind of crazy, a little bit freaky. Because you know how like on Snapchat, you and your friends, as you guys Snapchat more, you have like a heart by your name or like a double heart or even like a fire emoji. Like, I wonder what these mean. I've always wanted to know. Okay, so did you guys know that you can Shazam a song using Snapchat? This is something that I think is so cool. I have mentioned this before in a past video and I thought it was just, it's so entertaining, honestly. Okay, let's have Alexa play a song for us. Alexa, crank the volume. Okay, so we have this song playing and I can just like hold down the screen. It works! That is so cool. So Alexa, stop. I said stop. Alexa, pause. Thank you. Okay, so it gives you it gives you song information. You can send it, you can share it. I'm going to get song info. Oh, a nice man. Listen. Oh, this is so cool. I think this is the coolest thing ever. Like, if you are like at the bar and you're like, this is a great song, but you're like on Snapchat, you could just hold the screen down and you get the song. Like, okay, so a really cool thing that I saw on this blog post about Snapchat like in 2018. So as you guys know, Snapchat has been showing advertisements recently, like in between Snapchat stories, and they're going to be doing a thing sometime soon. I don't know how this will come about, or how this is gonna be like, I don't know how this will be carried out or how this will be like, you know, created, but they're going to be making more like monetization opportunities for like Snapchat creators to make money on Snapchat, which is so cool. This was on a story on variety.com. It says creators will be able to make money with stories. Really cool. I do think that Snapchat might have missed the mark a little bit. Like, I feel like Instagram, when they released their stories, like last year, was it? Yeah, they had advertising like after like 5 months, and they just kind of like were like already on top of that, even though Instagram totally copied Snapchat. It's just like, I feel like Snapchat is gonna be a little bit behind the gate for that, but I think it could be cool to see how like Snapchat and Instagram compete now that they are both like gonna make more money for creators. I don't know about Instagram though. I don't know if Instagram is going to be doing this kind of thing where you could make money from your story, which is so cool to me. Like, that's how it should be, because imagine like being able to monetize like your Snapchat story. That's like so cool. I think like that'd be so weird to do. Like, I don't know, it's a weird concept, but I am down for it. Okay, and this last like little like life hack slash like possible update for Snapchat is in a meeting with somebody from Snapchat or that's involved in Snapchat, or even a reporter heard this. I'm not quite sure, don't quote me, don't at me. There was talk that Snapchat stories will start to be like, they didn't say like algorithm, but they like talked about this kind of like process. Snapchat talked about making your stories like behavioral personalized, which behaviorally personalized would mean that they're gonna take an algorithm and put it into Snapchat and make it so whatever stories you're watching is what it'll recommend. Now I wonder if that means they will do like anyone's stories and not just like your friends. This could be kind of like Instagram's like discover page, I feel like, because that's kind of like how that is for Instagram. That's pretty much it for this video. If I should do more like Snapchat life hack videos, or even just like tech life hacks slash like, I don't know, I kind of want to do a like YouTube life hack video, not just like dumb little like hacks, but like ones that are like meaningful and more of like a personal experience with YouTube life hacks that I think are like actually actually like worth your time. If you guys haven't subscribed already to my channel, subscribe down below. Give this video to 5,000 thumbs up and I will do more life hack videos. And you guys go add me on Snapchat. My Snap code is right here and I will have it also down below. Go follow me on Instagram. Also, it's at nicholejacklyne. I love Instagram so much. I'm always on Instagram. So like, if you want to find out video ideas, video hints, video sneak peeks, be the first one to watch my vids, girl, boy, whoever you is. I will have a link down below for you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys with a new video very soon. Bye guys.